So today we are going to learn how we can share document with multiple users and how we can give them either access or view right. Okay. Before proceeding, I would like to tell you that this document is being saved on OneDrive. Okay, and that is the reason I am able to use the share feature. Okay, otherwise I won't be able to use the share feature. So if you want to use the share feature, first upload a document on OneDrive. Okay, so let us start. Go to file, share. The sharing box will open. Okay, now here it is mentioned anyone, this is a default setting. It is mentioned that anyone with the link can edit it. Okay, so and now where is the link? This link we can find here. We just have to copy the link. Okay, this is the link, you can copy it. Okay, now go back to the setting, just click here. Fine, go back. Okay, now it's saying that anyone with the link can access it without sign in. I want to change this setting to specific people only. So I don't want to uh, like share as a general document. I want to share this document specific to certain people. So what I will do, I will just click on specific people and I will mention their email IDs. Okay, so only this user, okay, can edit the document. Again, now as I said that I want to give edit right to this user, I can change it to view right as well. Okay, if I change it to view, then this user can only view it, cannot edit it. Okay, so in this way we can give edit or view rights and we can share the document. Okay, now just cancelling this. Okay, now last time we followed a route, that is file and then share. Okay, this time what we will do, we will go to the shortcut. In shortcut you can see when share option is there, you can click on share option. Okay, and then here only you will get copy link option. Okay, here only you will get manage access option and here only you will get the share option. Okay, so in manage access the same box will open, the share box. Okay, now here you will get that who is the owner of this document. Okay, how many links are created. Okay, to whom we have added as group or family. Okay, so in links you can see there are two links. One is the edit link, another one is the view link. So now it's up to you which kind of link you want to share with the other users. Okay, now in share, let us see. Now next is I want to send this document as a copy. Means I don't want to share this exact document. I want to share a copy of this document. So what I have to do? I have to go on send a copy. Click here. Okay. Now I can send it as a Word document or PDF document. Okay. If I click on Word, then it will send in .doc format. If I click on PDF, then it will send in .pdf format. Okay, so let us, for understanding purpose, let us click on PDF. So this Outlook is open.